Hello everyone, my name is Nanuka Kubucheshwari. I'm 20 years old and I'm coming to Miss Universe 2010. My country is drawing much attention in the recent years because we have young and progressive leaders. Fundamental economics and policy reforms have brought the country to the new level of development and progress. Georgia became very attractive to international investors and tourists, friendly and hospitable people. I invite everyone to visit Georgia because I promise you will love it and take tons of positive emotions.
Но сурово брови мы насупим, если враг захочет нас сломать. Как невесту родину мы любим,